it's me Coco again, and we're gonna do maybe this might be my last time doing the chemistry on a video. So we're gonna do it the explosive thingy one more time, but I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. I might go a little less on sodium bicarbonate because I don't have any more left, but I can replace with baking soda. So if you want to follow along with me, you can get this kit. If you don't, I have all the ingredients here to tell you. So we need baking soda, citric acid, 150 milligrams of water, and 2 beakers. If you don't have 2 beakers, you're gonna have to measure out all your ingredients because I already have pre-measured beakers. So now we're gonna pour 150 milliliters of water over here. I didn't pre-measure this, I just filled it to the top because I knew that it would be a little over. I always like I like going a little over the top sometimes, which is okay if you go a little over the top. If you just want to keep the water for other uses, that's fine. This is non-drinkable water, so do not drink this water during the process. Neither do not eat the citric acid, even though it looks like sugar. Do not do it. Okay, so we're gonna want 2 teaspoons of citric acid. And the reason I'm doing citric acid first is because it's a little more fizzier, and we want the fizz to be on the bottom. Oops. And then the more kind of exploding things on the top. Okay. Now we're gonna use the sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate I have to be a little more careful about because this sodium bicarbonate we don't have much of, and I want to make this video without me going and getting some baking soda. And then I think I might want to. I could put the rest of the bag. This is barely 2 teaspoons, but it'll do. I want more citric acid, but that's no problem. And I'll get a little more sodium bicarbonate in there. Just the spreads to make you guys all happy. There we are. So the reason that I used up all the water is because I was afraid that I'll spill it all over, and nobody wants that to happen because that would be weird. So now you can see we have a lot more powder mixture, so you just want to spurt it out. Put my spoon aside, and now I'm going to deal with the colors. So I love purple personally, so every single primary color can make different colors. I just chose to make purple because I like it a lot, and so does a lot of my friends like it as well, so I just decided to do it. Okay, so just want 2 spritz in there. Now with the blue, you don't want to go heavy with it, but nor do you want to make it too light. So now let it infuse a little bit. Part of chemistry is you being patient, and people have to be patient. So if you kind of are like to get things done, you might be in a little trouble. So this here looks brown, but when it fizzes, you'll see it doesn't look brown anymore. Okay, brown, purple, done. Wow, I don't know why I did that. Now, safety part, get your safety goggles on from either your kit or maybe from your house. And yeah, if you do not have safety goggles, you cannot do this project because this includes a lot of safety. 3, get ready for it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Double the amount makes so much bubbly things. Bubbles? Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. And it keeps fizzing. I can hear this noise. This is exactly what I need to say. Hear this noise in there. Wow. Wow, I can hear so much noise in there. It's so citricy. And I like holding it up and looking. Now my favorite part is to, after it's done fizzing, to see what's the temperature. So now I'm gonna hot today. I have a temperature. It says it's about 15 Celsius and 60 Fahrenheit. So, one thing that I'm so confused is why is it still kind of fizzing? Can you hear that noise? Well, it's kind of still fizzing. Yeah, it's fizzing. So that's why I'm so confused. When I tried it with like the regular way, it wouldn't fizz as much, but it fizzed so much. And it's still going. It's still going. It turned out more blue than I thought, so I should have added more red, but obviously the color doesn't matter. It matters the so it still fizzes. So while it's fizzing, to not keep you guys waiting, I'm gonna add a little yellow to change the color. So you could always change the color. I think before would be better. That'd be a little more smarter if you do it before. But if you choose not to do it before, well, okay, but it'd be a little more smarter. So I'm gonna ruin it right now. Well, no, I don't want to ruin it. I'm being especially quiet to listen to the noises. You guys should. Wow. Well, now I'm gonna mix it, the colors up. It's gonna look a little bubbly. You see, when I mix it, actually, it gets more active. I don't know how that happens. It gets a lot more active. See, it's still there's still fizz here. And then, yeah. It's still in action. I don't know how it's still in action. So one last thing before I'm gonna stop, is I'm just gonna add a little more red, and a lot more blue to make it back to that purple. So you could always adjust the colors. I like doing it first, so I don't regret. I like doing a lot more blue because I love blue too. I don't know what about it. I said blue too, but I love blue. I'm gonna mix that up, dazzle it, and now it looks a little more turquoise. So now you can see how colors change. Well, I love to see how colors change personally. And if you can't really tell. If you can't really tell, always look at your stick that you're using, because this color always fades. Or also on the side of the beaker, you can see the color. So yeah, that's basically it. I know this is a pretty long video, but subscribe down below, and also hit the bell to get more notifications of when I post my new videos, and also comment down below if you want, and keep watching my new videos. Bye!